Hello everyone. Welcome to the first episode of a brand new series called Vlogmas 2024. So I am taking a challenge to post a new video each day for 25 days till Christmas. It will be very fun and exciting. So without any further delay, we will quickly jump into the video. Before that, if you were coming here for the first time and if you're seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle here on this channel. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos. And without any further delay, now let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, so today's video gonna be very special one because I will be sharing with you all my bucket list of 2024. And at the beginning of every year, I do my bucket list thing where I set up certain goals and rules to follow for the whole entire year. And today it's for the bucket list where not the resolution, rather the bucket list where I set some goals. So on the very first day of December itself, it's the end of the year. And what best that clicking out my bucket list and see what have I completed and what are left. Still we have some days left this year itself, so I will be getting some time to catch on if I have missed anything by chance. We'll be seeing here how it looks like, and see, this is gonna be very much personal, and yeah, you're gonna love it. Okay, so the first thing of my bucket list 2024 is my completion of my master's degree. So yeah, in case you don't know, I'm 24 years old and I joined master's in the year 2022. I was a student of Chandigarh University, which is in Mohali, Punjab, and so this year itself, 2024, I completed my degree, although I haven't got my degree in hand. The orientation and the degree ceremony did happen, like the convocation of course, but I can tell you that I can guarantee you I passed the final year's exam with very decent markings because I maintained my CGPA, 8 CGPA, वो भी last year तक maintained that. So for that I'm very much happy. So master's degree is a 2 years course and I did in biotechnology. So MSc in biotechnology, that was my course I opted for. So I did complete my bucket list, so really tick off, and with also what I aimed at with a good decent CGPA, which also I maintained. I got a CGPA more than that, so I'm happy. I'm not that ambitious as some people are that they want to get 9 CGPA and what I feel like decent कि मैं सब कुछ करूँ along with maintaining my academics. Moving to the next one we have is the final year thesis on cosmetics field. So at certain point of time during my masters, I was like, I don't want to do this, is not fulfilling my passion, my interest area, to be honest. But at the end of the degree itself, in my final year, I was so lucky to work with certain professors and also some internships where I can actually, perform and study my field of interest, which is cosmetics, cosmetology after all. And so I got a chance. So my final year thesis was on the topic cosmetics itself. So I was very happy. My dissertation for the last 6 months of my master's went so well, for which I am really grateful for. So this is a topic, not fully I will be mentioning, but somewhere this is a topic I worked on, and for that I happened to be worked with the various brands as well on this platform. Yes, some way that coincidentally that made that I can work with brands as well for the thesis I worked on. So I'm very happy for that matter. So this next thing also, that my wish to do my final year thesis on the cosmetics field, anything for that matter, is fulfilled. So tick. So moving to the next one, my agenda of this year was like I wanted to publish 2 papers. Now publishing paper is very much mandatory when you are in masters. So this is also the guidelines of our university also. So if you want to get a master's degree, you need to need to publish at least one paper. Okay, that is a mandate. Okay, for completion of your degree. So I work with my university professor for publishing one paper which is on the MAPS. MAPS means the full form stands for the medicinal and aromatic plants of certain states. So I was working on the first paper was that, and also for the final year thesis, the MAPS one was a review paper. So first paper was a review paper based, which was for the medicinal plants and the aromatic plants, and the next one, which is paper number 2, was mainly the field of my interest, of course, the cosmetics. So that was about the antimicrobial properties. Yeah, you can say, to be precise, antibacterial properties I worked on for the cosmetics. So that is the paper number 2, which is indeed a research paper. Okay, so I performed one review paper and I performed one research. So I'm very happy. So initially my ambition was not that great. I was like, I'm very much okay with publishing 2 review papers, but with the help of my professor, I'm like forever grateful of, especially for the cosmetics one. And he helped me so much that I could perform that research of my own, of course, with his help. So paper 1, paper 2 ticked off, and I'm so happy. So the next one I missed is that college placement. Okay, in case you don't know, also only few of my friends know that I got college placement as well. So placement is something which various companies comes to your college and comes to your university, takes the test, and college placement we all know by now. So college placement ऐसे ही होता है. Similarly for us also college placement happened, and I was placed in a decent company, I would say. It's Gurgaon based company, and this is something to share with you all the insights so that you can see where I was placed. I'm not taking the name because as I didn't join, I didn't accept the offer letter because मुझे नहीं करना था, rather because मेरा जो भी passion है और जो भी मेरा interest है was not aligning with the company's perspective. So I was like, I'm gonna take a pause and decide. Then I decided that I'm not willing to go, and also at the very same time I was so ill that I could not join. So if you tell me do I regret my decision, so then I will tell no. As of now, I don't regret. I am very happy where I am right now because of my thesis and many internships that I did occasionally from February to this year's September. I am touch wood at a better place where I can tell myself I'm a little independent. In terms of money, I don't want to really count as of now because someday I will eventually tell you that how it works. But yeah, I can tell you that I can do something of my own now. So whatever the internships I did, I'm very happy with that. And do I regret? I don't. As of now, तो मैं बिल्कुल मेरा decision regret नहीं करती हूँ. But future में भी मेरे को उतना regret नहीं होगा शायद. You never know, I never say never. This was the first thing that was not aligning with my vision or with my field of interest. The next thing was I don't want to be a corporate girl. मेरे को corporate का culture, corporate area मुझे उतना पसंद नहीं है. So I'm like, मैं नहीं बोलूँगी that I want to do a business something like that. No, ऐसा नहीं है. But corporate things doesn't really interest me. So that was the second thing I didn't opt for. So coming back to the bucket list, I did fulfill my my vision, and I did got college placement, but unfortunately I didn't opt for it. But taking it off because I think I can take it off. So moving to the next one of my bucket list was spoiling me on my 24th birthday, and indeed, boy, oh boy, how I spoiled myself on 24th birthday was really great. Not being boosting, but I was like, I can able to now more than boosting, it was like able. Okay, so because I could able to, what I had vision for, what I planned for, like what I planned and what was my goal was completed. So I spoiled myself really well on my 24th birthday, for which I am super proud of. by the way. So yeah, taking it off my 24th birthday spoil list, it's done. Now the next one is super crazy. It's like getting back on YouTube as if I never left. So it's so true. After just completion of my degree in August itself, yeah, from July I started. I think from July, yeah, from 2nd July. I left YouTube on 2nd of July 2023. Then on 2024, same day itself on 2nd July, I posted my very first video of this year. So yeah, I took a gap of complete 1 year from 2nd July of 2023 to 2nd July of 2024, and whole year gap was so amazing. I missed this platform very much, to be honest, but it was much needed. If I prioritize my future, I had to do that, and for that I got more motivated to come back here again, and now I just started again all the things. I am super happy because now I have two things to do simultaneously. One, I do this thing, and also I have, see, this platform doesn't give me proper earning, but the brands which I collab with, वही मेरा भी source of है. But yeah, that's what I'm telling. So those internships during the February to September made me quite stable so that I can be back on this platform again. So yeah, that was the next thing. So I came back like I never left. So taking it off, moving to the next one is something serious, which is like investing my money. So over the period of time, मैं जितना भी gather की हूँ, जितना भी savings था, I was like मैं इसको savings account में नहीं रखूँगी. I will invest properly, like one should do when she is or he is mature. So I studied mutual funds, shares, and I did invest some of my savings account का जो भी मैंने था वो in mutual funds and share market, so that you know I understood over the period of time. जितना भी मेरा understanding था, जितना भी मैंने देखा आसपास के लोगों से और मेरे सीनियर से मैंने सीखी कि अगर आप आपके मनी सेविंग्स में ही रखोगे तो it's will be the same for years. And talking about the inflation which is happening is not very profitable or not very correct way to save your money. So for that matter, I did invest on mutual funds and share market because this is a high time in 24 now. If I don't start investing now itself, I don't see myself doing great in my 30s or even later half of the 20s itself. So as soon as you start earning, you need to save. So I think I can really pick off my investing money wala thing, but I'm not comfortable sharing with you all where I invested, like in which mutual funds or in which share, because I am not at all the perfect person to tell you that. But yes, if I tell you that you need to start something, you should do when as long as you start earning, you should invest a certain part. So I can really tick it off. So I'm very super proud of it. So moving to the next thing of my bucket list was to do internships, and as I have told you guys that because of the internship I could get back on this platform again. So if you talk about what the internships I'm talking about, so I did work with various brands offline. It's not offline in terms of off camera itself, not about the collaboration that you get from YouTube, also as a genuine intern of theirs. Okay, so touch wood, I got best of the best brands to work with, understand their formulation, understand how the R&Ds works. So that helped me again to boost up my courage and come back on this platform. And now I'm at a very peaceful and happier place because I understand. पहले जब मैं करती थी, it was like only my passion. Now it's like moreover understanding and passion coming together. Because of the internship, I understood actually what skincare, what formulation, and because of my thesis as well at the same time, this antimicrobial activities, antibacterial activities of cosmetics, how it works and what should we use, what should we not. It's like जब अगर जानते हो कि formulation and R&Ds कैसे होते हैं तो it interests you more. So same thing happened with me because of the internships. I got more interested to come back again and talk to you all. I haven't really shared as of now कि मैंने क्या सीखी और क्या मैंने उसको कैसे मैं implement करूँगी लाइफ में. मैं वो सब कुछ आपको आगे जाके बताऊँगी कि what was my knowledge, what was things that I learned, what I gathered. over the period of months of now, so that we will be seeing eventually. And yeah, so I can really tick off the internship. So moving to the next one of my bucket list was a Miragio bag, completely based on the IG ads. Instagram पे बहुत सारे ads and boost up thing चल रहा था. Miragio was the like उन लोगों का PR this word was so great. PR in terms of, I'm telling you, advertisement was so great that I was so intrigued to buy a Miragio bag, and which I did eventually. Though I didn't buy it, was a gift, but yeah, I can tick off my bucket list because I had one. Now I owe one, so I can tick off. It's a gift. It's a gift I'm very grateful for. So Miragio bag bucket list done of 2020-24. Next, traveling solo. Oh my god, this year I could travel solo for so many times. I traveled to Delhi like for 3 times by my own, and even that I went to Chandigarh, Punjab में तो जाती रहती हूँ क्योंकि मेरा यूनिवर्सिटी वहाँ है. Also still I am connected because मेरा भी process चल रहा है, so I'm very much connected for that matter. And also the thing is, पहले जब मैं जाती थी, always accompanied by my friend's brother because he also in the same university itself. So पहले मैं हमेशा कोई ना कोई accompany मुझे करता था, but now I can do travel of my own. And at 24 years of my life, I can tell you that touchwood, I love traveling solo so much. See, when you go solo, when you travel this much, you understand. मेरे friends हमेशा मुझे बोलते हैं कि why you travel solo? It must be so boring. I was like, no, it's so fun. When you travel solo, you understand your mind, your soul, and you have to spend a lot of time with yourself. Okay, there is no internet, nothing. When you travel by your own, you have to understand your mind and enjoy yourself. Okay, being yourself is really rare in today's world because we are so much involved in internet and we are so involved in looking into others' lives that sometimes we forget who we are and what we are doing. So it's very much important to be in the reality and see who you are and who you want to be. So it's so much of thinking, so much of understanding how things work. So I really love traveling solo, and I hope someday you will be seeing me traveling the world, and yeah, I would love to do that. So yeah, traveling solo is really ticked off with flying colors, and I really, gather enough courage and enough liking for this matter. Next is working with the best brands. Touchwood. My platform, we have feel this YouTube family is not that big, but behind the scene, मैं हर चीज नहीं बोल सकती हूँ. If you know, UGC is a thing. In case you don't know, please Google it. You will understand. So because of the UGC as well as this platform, I could able to work with those brands which I didn't even think that I can. Okay, so that was the best thing of my life. Even this internship and this platform made me do that, and I will be forever grateful for that matter. So work with the best brand really ticked up. Okay, so coming to the last checklist of the bucket list of 2020-24 is very crazy. So it wasn't, to be honest, it wasn't in my bucket list, but somewhere I want it for a long time now. मैं पहले भी ये कर चुकी हूँ, but out of my internship money, now it is a little bit of different. So it is to buy gold or invest on gold for that matter. I don't know how to tell you that, but yeah, this Dhanteras itself, I bought my first gold earrings out of my own hard-earned money for my mom, and that is the best feeling in this world. Okay, I didn't really share because I thought कि वो इतना कुछ बड़ा है नहीं. जिस दिन मैं करूँगी तो मैं definitely share करूँगी. But yeah, it is something that I'm super proud of. Very much ticket of this one, and I think that really made me emotional. That I'm very much able. That that is something made me feel like yes, I can do. This means I'm on a correct path and I can do things. Feeling that you are able to do is a big thing for me and for anyone for that matter. And I think that yeah, this year really touch wood. बहुत सारे चीज बहुत गलत गया है this year. health wise also, family wise also, there has been a huge loss, which for the years also cannot be really replenished. But personally मैं अगर खुद की growth की बात करूँ तो really I am blessed this year to be here sitting at this position and doing this video. Few things were so great and अभी तो बस शुरुआत है, आगे बहुत कुछ बाकी है. I'm not even vouching for, but it's just my bucket list. Me being me, just fulfilling it gives me pleasure enough. So to work on myself, to work on my checklist, my wishes. So if this video inspired you, and if I can tell you that if I can do, you all can really do. I know. So if this video inspired you, and if you feel like तुम भी ऐसे हो मेरे तरफ हो, and if you liked it, don't forget to give it a huge fat thumbs up, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I love you all so very much. Bye.